Alright, today we're checking out the Catalyst Machineworks Merica. I just found this out the other day, but I didn't know they actually have a 3-inch and a 4-inch and a 5 and a 6-inch of this frame, which is just awesome. Now that I know that, I'm definitely going to build a 3-inch because this thing is so awesome. And the canopy is just so badass. Let me see. Just check this thing out. It's TPU. And it's super strong. It's like they knew exactly where to make it thicker and thinner. You know, like right here where the camera is, it's super thick and tough. And it sticks out past the lens, which is awesome. And then, you know, down here it's real thin, and right here it's thin, where it doesn't need to be strong. And then they even came with these little metal inserts that go inside of here for the screws to screw down to, so you're not actually just screwing down to the TPU, which is really awesome. So it's going to be that much harder to rip off, you know. I mean, this thing's not going anywhere. Even if you just crashed head on into something on the top, you know, it would be super hard to break this thing. And then look how thick the arms are. They're at least like 5 millimeters thick. It looks to me 5 or 6. Could be 6 millimeters, but I guess I'll just grab the caliper real quick and we'll check it out. 5.3. 5. Yeah, so it's 5 millimeters thick.
And it also gets with a camera.
Yeah, it also has a camera. You're gonna do videos soon, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. This thing was kind of crazy to build. When I saw the video of it that Catalyst made recently, I remember him saying specifically that the Asgard would fit in here no problem. And so that's what I got for it. And it does fit, but it's weird because, like, he says that you're supposed to mount the flight controller to the actual pod. And you can do that. See these holes right here? That's 30 by 30 right there. So you can mount it to the pod if you're using a standard flight controller. And then the ESC could go in between these plates. But I was able to fit the Asgard in between these two plates. So there's nothing on top except for the VTX and the receiver and the camera and the buzzer and the capacitor. They're all up inside there. But other than that, there's nothing on the top, you know. It's just sandwiched in between here, which is pretty awesome because it's well protected. And then for the Asgard, the ESC where you solder the motors on are in the front and back, so that turned out pretty good. And then you got your battery cable on the side. So pretty cool. Yeah, it turned out really nice. This one has the Emax 2206 2550 kV race or light spec motors. They're really nice motors. I like them. Haven't tried them out yet, but I like the way they look. That's about it. I can't say that I like the way they fly yet, but I like the way they look. They're pretty awesome. You can pick them up at helynation.com. heli-nation.com. For anybody that doesn't know. Awesome store.
Bye-bye.
So this thing is going to be so hard to break. I swear, it doesn't have no flex at all. No give whatsoever. The arms should be super easy to replace because you just have these 2 screws and that's it. One for the pod and then one for the arm.
Goodbye.
And you can just swap out the arm, no problem. I'm wondering if everything else is the same for the 3 and 4-inch. If you could just buy the arms to swap out to change the size of the quad. I'm not sure. I'd have to look into that, but this one turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. It's got the Swift Micro up in there. Unify Pro and the RXSR receiver. Man, that TPU is so beautiful. Really nice. They ship really fast too. I ordered it and then like by the next day it had shipped, and then like within 3 days I had it. So pretty fast shipping from Catalyst. And they do sell other things besides their frames too, so yeah, pretty awesome.
Okay,
if I get a chance to fly this, I will do a video. You gotta stop saying bye. What do you think you're doing? Alright. Goodbye.
Goodbye.